So, hi Nyla.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're making pizza.
And who are we making pizzas for?
My dad and my brothers.
Why are we making it for your dad and your brothers? Is it for a special occasion?
Yes.
What is it for?
It's kind of for Family's Day.
It's Father's Day! Father's Day is coming up, right? So are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, so now we're gonna make some pizzas.
Yeah, I know.
Are you ready?
Let me see.
Oh, you're checking the ingredients. Okay, chef. We got everything, chef?
We got the dough as well.
Yeah.
And some dough right there. But we're gonna make our own dough for our own pizza.
Yes. Okay, let's fist bump and start.
Wait. I know we can do it. Magic.
Okay. Oh, we have a secret handshake now. Okay, and then? Okay. Okay. Booms. And then fist bump. Booms. Alright, let's do it. So now we have warm water. We need to bloom our yeast first.
Yeast.
Yes, we need to bloom it. It's basically to make the bread grow bigger. Yeah.
What that means.
Like this, like fluffy, like this. See, this is the one that we did. But right now, we're gonna bloom it. So we need a teaspoon of sugar. So we are putting a little bit of sugar so that it makes our pizza dough brown. Like a nice golden color. And it will also feed the yeast. So now we're gonna let the yeast bloom. And it will be fluffy like your hairband. We need a 1¼ teaspoon.
Kind of nice.
Yes, we're gonna level it, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Gently, okay? We're gonna put 1 teaspoon and a 1/4 teaspoon. And then we're gonna take the biggest one and then I'm gonna pour some oil. You need extra, we're using extra virgin olive oil and we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Aisyah? Okay. Do we add it in?
Yes.
It's kind of looking like butter.
Yeah, but it's oil. So we're gonna mix our ingredients now. What do we have inside here?
Okay, we got the flour.
We've got 280 grams of bread flour.
Yes.
1¼ teaspoon salt. Yes.
Olive oil.
Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Wait.
Yeah, you're gonna mix it.
Okay.
So we've got our
Garlic.
water and our yeast and our sugar just now.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna aim. Can you mix it?
Okay.
Sure?
Yes.
I'm gonna pour it slowly.
So
Okay.
I can...
Mix it. So it's easier for you.
So crumbly.
Yeah. This is what we call a shaggy dough.
Shaggy dough?
Yeah. It means it hasn't formed into like a dough yet. But it's mixing. You see?
dough.
It's because it's shaggy like that.
Ah.
Oh. Okay. So once it's like that, it looks like it's about to form. So this is when we have to start kneading. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. You fold the sides in and then you use your palm, you see? And then you push. Okay?
It looks like this. Okay. And push. And swirl it back. And push. And swirl it back. And push.
Okay, so I think the dough is ready. So how do you tell when the dough is ready?
I don't know.
This is what we call a window pane test.
Can I try
Okay.
it?
So we're gonna pinch a bit of the dough.
Okay, I will
Okay.
get it.
We're gonna flatten it a little bit. I'm gonna take 4 corners and then we're gonna slowly stretch it. Like look at how I'm doing it. See, when I slowly stretch it, you can see the light through it. Can you see the light through it?
Yes.
Yeah. If you tear it, that means it's not ready. But if you can see the light through it and you don't tear it, that means it's done. Okay. So we're gonna make it into a ball. So we're just folding it. Yeah. So you wanna like this. You wanna fold it and pinch the bottom.
Pinch.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put a little bit more of the olive oil. Just a little bit. This is so that it doesn't stick to our bowl. We're gonna put it in the fridge.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Like do what you did with the other one.
We're gonna put it in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours. You can do it longer. You can keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. You know why you would keep it in the fridge? So that the
2
yeast.
days.
Yeah, so the yeast would give a nice flavor to your crust.
Crust.
So this is the one that I made yesterday, and then I kept in the fridge
Whoa, can I
for about
touch
10 hours. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of flour.
So it won't stick, right?
So yes,
That one won't stick.
yes, you're so smart. Take this out of the bowl.
Oh wow, wow.
Yeah.
It's so moisty.
Yes, that's the oil. Okay, and then we're gonna do the one we did just now. We're gonna fold. We're gonna make it into a ball because this one we're resting again. Okay. You know why you want to be gentle? Because you want to keep the bubbles. You don't want to break the bubbles because the bubbles is gonna give us
The crumb
yes.
of pie.
We're gonna rest this in room temperature.
Okay, can
Okay,
we?
around here for 2 to 3 hours, and then after we do that, this is what we have.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You want to make two smaller pizza or one giant pizza?
One giant pizza.
Okay. So we're gonna take this one out,
Okay,
and then we're gonna do that.
Yes.
We're gonna press.
Oh, let in a treat.
You have to be gentle because you don't want to get rid of the bubbles. Remember? And then
I don't want any.
you're gonna use your
Oh, that's
knuckle
cool. Knuckle?
to stretch the pizza.
Knucklehead?
Yeah.
My ingredients.
Okay. Alright, so now that we've stretched our pizza dough,
What
we're
do we
gonna move it on some baking paper.
Wait,
And
what?
then I'm gonna put it back. Okay? And then okay, so now we're gonna put some olive oil.
Wait.
Okay? This is where we're just gonna put on the crust on the sides. Come on, just dap it. Yeah. To make it crispier. Okay, we're gonna put some of the tomato sauce, and I'm using the Barilla Basilico sauce because it's one of the best sauces for pizza. You wanna spread it?
Yes.
Gently. Yeah, gently, yeah. We're gonna start with cheddar first.
What do we do first?
We're gonna start with cheddar.
Okay.
Cheddar is to give it flavor, so you just wanna put it everywhere. You wanna put some mozzarella?
Yeah, sure. We have
Yeah.
finished it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some more. You wanna put some mushrooms?
Mushrooms? Sure. I'm gonna totally make this like a mustache.
Oh, okay, mustache pizza.
Okay, now we need the pizza.
Oh, the pepperoni, yeah.
His hair instead changed. He has hair. What is going on with your body?
Okay, okay, now I gotta put it into the oven, but you have to move because it's gonna be really hot. Alright, where do you go? But look at the crust, it looks so delicious, don't you think so? Can I cut it?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
really want to taste it.
You wanna taste it? Okay, I'm gonna cut it, okay?
Okay, we're gonna be careful.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be careful because it's hot. Wanna try the pizza? Is it too hot for you? Okay, I'm gonna try some.
I can't touch it. I can't touch it. I can't touch it.
It's really good. Okay, you can have some. Okay, it's not so hot anymore. Is it hot for you? No. Oh, is it a success?
That's pizza one good pizza. This one gets an A.
I get an A. We got an A. Yeah. Wanna fist bump? Booms.